Good day. I'm Mary Ann Argutlay, 17 years old, applying for the position of data encoder. I saw your advertisement at the Lipa City Public College. I'm a fresh graduate of Ladi Rice Education Program for Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, TESDA accredited at the Lipa City Public College. I have an on-the-job training experiences as PC operator in Aircraft Tour and Travel at Sabang, Lipa City from November 2007 to February 2008, and computer hardware maintenance in Philips Internet Cafe at JM Katigbak, Mataas na Lupa, Lipa City from August 2008 to October 2008. This training helped me to improve my knowledge and skill about the computer application and troubleshooting. In my training, I learned different computer applications like encoding, programming, and troubleshooting. I also good in writing business letters. I have good command in written and spoken English. I also know how to entertain customers and give the satisfaction that they need. I believe that my education and technical experiences are qualified for the position of data encoder. I think I had the qualities that you need in that position. I would welcome the opportunity to interview at your official office hours. You can reach me through my numbers 0909-3342-140, or you can send me an email through mean19_gutlay@yahoo.com. Thank you for the time and consideration, and look forward speaking for you about this employment opportunity.